you all been? Anyway, for those who are new, welcome to my channel, Lifestyles of Martha. And today I'm going to talk about the challenges that I have been having while applying my foundation. So previously I have been using my brush and my makeup used to be cakey. So I discovered the Beauty Blender, this, recently, and it gives me a fresh, smooth look and blends in all the foundation in my skin. So I have been having a cakey face. Now you can see it's flawless. You will see this while I start applying makeup that I have dark spots, but I've tried my best to see that I have a good skin. So let's go ahead and I show you how I leave this for this. Get a glass of water, then I'll dip in my blender. It will suck in enough water. I'll get a facial cleansing wipe. I'll first clean my skin to remove all the dirt that it has so that I prepare it. Then I'll apply my moisturizer. I'll take 3 pulps of my foundation and then I'll evenly distribute it through my face as I dab it slowly until it blends in. The second thing I use my beauty blender is to apply my powder. I'll evenly distribute it and then I'll blend it in for my finished look. I don't want to move around when everyone who touches me goes with foundation. This is the finished look. Hope you like it. My skin looks smooth, natural beauty. No one can even tell that that I applied something apart from just oil. Bye bye.